Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix NVIDIA installation error code 0xE60000. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing what you need to do here is go on search and write run, or press Windows and I key, and then you just need to write appvis.cpl. Then here you need to do two things. So first of all, you need to look for NVIDIA app and just look if there is a NVIDIA apps on your computer, and you just need to uninstall them all. Okay, after you uninstall them all, what you need to do next is to restart your computer. After you restart your computer, go to Microsoft Store, look for NVIDIA Control Panel and download NVIDIA Control Panel here. Next thing, open a browser and then go to nvidia.com and then go to drivers. And you have two different options how you can download drivers. You can manually driver search, like put your GPU, exact GPU, your operating system, and so on. If you want to know what GPU you're using, you just need to go to device manager here, and you need to expand the option that says network adapters here, or display adapters, I'm sorry, and you will see exact GPU. Also, what you can do here is you can get automatic drivers and updates here and download now. But in this case, we will use a manual search here and just download the latest driver here. So for me, NVIDIA Studio driver is good. I just need to press on view and then wait a couple of seconds and download it here. And let's save it to computer, okay? And once it's downloaded, you just need to click it. And then you just need to install like a normal setup. But you need to do one thing, and I will show you what. Here, just press OK and wait until installation process will start. Then here, make sure to select NVIDIA graphics driver and NVIDIA app and agree and continue. And then you can go with Express and install it. And after that, after installation process is done, it should work for you. You should not be getting any errors. So that's pretty much it.